Alright, so now question 6. Uyaqala question 6 la umbuzo ogcina kuleli phepha esilenzayo. Kuthiwa define the term electric field in words. Asichaze ukuthi yini kahle kahle electric field. So, ukuze ukhumbule, remember electric field ikhona iformula yokuyibala ethi F all over Q. Ngiyayibona le N. Let's say Q over R squared. But le iyona ezokutshelana, ezokuchazisa la. So, which means electric field ibala the force divided by the charge. There is the electrostatic force divided by the charge. Okusho ukuthi omunye angasho ukuthi electric field is a region in which an electric charge experiences a force. Yeah? So it is a region in which an electric, a region in space in which an electric charge experiences a force. As you can see, an electric charge experiences a force. An electric charge experiences a force. Yeah? So the formula iyakwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuchaza ukuthi yini electric field. Alright, so the formula lemafuna ukubala an electric field at a certain point. Uthatha the force, the electrostatic force exerted lapho divided by that charge. Uzothola ini electric field. Newtons per coulomb kanje. I-unit yakhona. Kodwa iyabala njengokuthi E is equals to KQ all over R squared. Where nala okay ulingana no 9,00 times 10 to the power of 9, and R is still the distance between the charge and that point. Q is the value or the magnitude of that charge. You want my formulas was on this question. And remember, a positive charge we do a negative charge we do a and how are they relating to each other? But okay, this is a simple, straightforward 2-mark question. Trying to define the term electric field in words. It is a region in space in which an electric charge experiences a force. So I add that out in space. A region in space in which an electric charge will experience a force. Which means an electric charge, when charge starts flowing, when electrons starts flowing, they form in electricity. Ukunyakaza nje kwama electrons kwenza ugesi. Uyayizonto leyo. Njengombane, it is just the flow of electrons. Yona gesi leyo. But the flow of charge becomes current. But ke asenze ugesi manje. We're just dealing with ama charges like pair. So njalo uma bekubuzile bethi define the term electric charge in words. Wena kwenzayo uyachaza ukuthi indawo la electric charge izo experience khona noma izozwa iforce. Yilo ndawo la izozwa khona iforce khona electric charge. Iyona electric field, because remember field indawo, it is a region. So this is how you explain it in Arsenic 6.2. Alright, so now on question 6.2 now. So S is a small positively positively charged sphere carrying a charge of positive 8 times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs. P is a point which is 0,18 meters away from the center of sphere S. What's it going to draw the electric field pattern for S. Alright, so in this nala, we have a sphere carrying a charge of positive 8 times 10 to the negative 9 coulombs, or 8 nanocoulombs. Leso sphere leso siphelelane nelinye point eku-P ngamamitha awu 0,18. Uyayizonto leyo. Sekuthiwa asidwebe i-electric field pattern for S. What type of charge is S? It is a positive charge. Angithi ngakho ke ama arrows akho mawukuthi S lo ama arrows akho apointa kanje ngaphandle ayaphuma awangeni ngaphakathi. The electric field lines will never cross. Abakrossani ayikho ezophuma la ithi enye iphume la ithi cha. They will never cross. But ke ayasidwebe ngendlela ke. Ake sesiyazi manje ukuthi kumele iphume. If it was a negative charge bese wadweba ama arrows engena ngaphakathi. So first things first, we will draw in yona ini i-charge le S. So let's draw it as a blue circle nje la incane, yabo? And then we could put into kanje. Nansi. And then what we could do is add ini ama lines here. So let's just uzibe neat into yakho nje. Alwenzi kanje 4 aya north, east, west and south, yabo? And then bese wenza njani? Ushaya north east, north west, southwest, southeast. And then ke masuyenze kanje, what are you adding here manje? Usu add ini ama direction. I-direction yani, the direction of your electric field lines is going out. Which was it? We are far manje my direction up. Remember, this is just 2 marks. And then so good. You don't even need to level of line abaningi. You have proven what's okay now i-charge yakho, and these are the electric field lines. So an electric field, ilo ndawo la an electric charge will experience a force between lama electric field lines, which means le ndawo whereby ama electric field lines are closest. It is the portion or the part or the region la electric field is the strongest. The electric field strength is strongest whereby the electric field lines are closest together. So, which means lawa when they are separated by a greater distance than la, they are slightly weaker. Obviously, we are now with the square of the distance is inversely proportional to any electric field strength. In this case, since ours was E is equal to KQ over R squared. Alright. But lombuzo nje over 2 marks, the answer siyithola from ukubona ukuthi is a positive charge. And then mase siyakhumbula ukuthi positive charge enza njani ama field lines, i-direction yethu. The arrows point outside. If it was a negative charge, bezo pointer towards the charge. But mind you, they will go away from the charge. 2 marks wakho usutholile. Asiyeni ngombuzo ulandelayo. Alright. Umbuzo wokugcina ngci. Kule question ya March 2023. Okay. For grade 11. Calculate the electric field at point P. Ngithe mina kwena electric field inama formula o2 le ethi E is equal to F all over Q le khumbuzisayo i-definition. Or let's E is equal to KQ all over R squared. Do we have F? We don't. Yabo? We have a Q. No R. Remember, K is given as 9,00 times 10 to the power 9. So, if sinala formula umabili yona iphi ke singayisebenzisa ile enobani nangu phela uQ nangu uR nangu K yona iphi leyo nansi. So sesiyaqala ke E is equal to KQ all over R squared. Okusho ukuthi the electric field is equal to 9,00 times 10 to the power of 9 multiplied by Q, which is 8 or positive 8 times 10 to the negative 9. So divide the distance between point P and S, which is 0,18. 0,18 squared. Ukusubstitute nje ukuthatha lokho esikubonayo ngala. Ubude obusuka ku point P kuze kuyofika ku charge S u0,18. Basitshelile lokho kwi diagram yethu. Siyakuthatha nje okunjalo sizokufaka la. Okay, simthatha kwi data sheet le abasinika yona kephi. Basinikeza kwini? Kwi data sheet ngemuva kwe question yethu. And then uQ simthatha phi? It is the charge of sphere S, which is 8 times 10 to the power of -9. Lower that is dweba any electric field pattern yak. Some substitutes. So now we can get the final answer as E is equals to, and then lapho senza njani? Sizothatha i-substitution yayo yonke lesifaka i-calculator njengoba injalo. Calculator can make sure it's scientific, or you could change it, it doesn't matter. So when I get answer, what's ima kanjani? So we have 9,00 times 10 to the power 9, 8 times 10 to the power -9. Ngaphansi we have 0,18 squared. So our answer is 222,2222222. So it is 222.22 or here. But this is electric field. So our units are newtons per coulomb. Newtons per coulomb. That is an electric field. The strength of that electric field, if it's away and goes 0,18 from point P, is 222,22 newtons per coulomb. So this marks the final question of grade 11 March 2023 physics common test yase-KZN KwaZulu Natal. So sesiliphendulile iphepha with ama guidelines, with incazelo yama questions. So if you have any problem regarding this paper, of course you are more than welcome to send a message la sizokwazi khona ukuchazisela kahle ukuthi ngempela why did we choose the answer thize, or why did we calculate kanje, why did we explain kanje, wherever the case may be. Wena umudinga usizo sizokwazi ukuthi sikunikeze lelo sizo. So if unganayo i-question paper le eyango March, wenza njani? Usenda i-message ku-WhatsApp, request ukuthi ubingelele usho ukuthi igama lakho usibani ufuna ugrade ba, ubucela bandle ukuthi ningiphe leli phepha kade nilipostile ama answers akhona mhlawumbe on Facebook. Usho ukuthi ngiyabona kahle ama diagrams and stuff, but mhlawumbe mase kubalwa awuboni, or uyabona mekubala ama diagrams ungaboni. Whatever the case may be, noma nje ufuna ukuba nalo, uyakwazi ukurequesta, sizokwazi ukukunikeza. Noma kukhona elinye iphepha onalo wena olenzayo and liyakuhlula, uyakwazi ukulisenda ucele ukuthi baliposte sebeliphendulile, nalowo sizokwazi ukuthi sikwenzele. So sesizobonana kwenye i-exam question eyango March nakhona, which is almost the same as le, it's just that imbuzo kayifani, but ama topics nakhona ama vectors in 2D, ama Newton's laws, Newton's law of universal gravitation, ne electrostatics. Asambe soyibheka.